Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable vertical scroll up in Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to update our Samsung Galaxy phone because this feature is only available for Android 15 with One UI 7. Okay, to update your Samsung Galaxy phone, you can go to your setting. Okay, let me open up my settings and then we're going to go to the update menu. Okay, right here, select the software update, and then if the update is available, you will be able to update it right here. You can click on download and install. Okay, and mine is already updated, so I don't need to update it anymore. As you can see, my software is up to date. This is for the update information, Android 15 and One UI 7. Alright, and then after you have updated your Samsung Galaxy phone, software has been updated, you can go to your app screen right here, and then you're going to change the setting. You can click on this three dots menu or the more options, and then here you need to select sort, and you need to sort it according to alphabetical order. And then after you set it to alphabetical order, the vertical scroll up will be enabled. Okay, and to make you easier to find an application, you just need to scroll it like this according to the alphabetical order. Okay, you can scroll it here. Alright, and if you want to get back the horizontal scroll up, you can select this three dots and you're going to select sort and then select custom order, and you will get back the vertical the horizontal scroll up. Okay, if you set it to alphabetical order, it will turn into the vertical, but if you choose the custom order, it will turn into horizontal. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.